guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how I do my brows. I'll be doing like a drugstore on one side and high-end on the other. So yeah, today I'll be using my Brow Stylist Designer by L'Oreal on one side, and on the other side I'll be using my Brow WIZ by Anastacia Beverly Hills, and the shade I use in the Anastacia Beverly Hills is soft brown. When I started doing makeup, I wouldn't even do my eyebrows at all. I would pluck them out and everything, try to shape them, but when I would do my makeup, I wouldn't even do my eyebrows. I mean, is there anyone that does that or did that before? And I usually like to grab my pencil and at this angle just go and line up the bottom, but I just like to line it up very lightly, and then once I get towards this part, I like to go in at this angle because that's where it can be a little darker. I do this until I get to the tip. I usually try to make my tip a little longer, so like over here I'll probably pull it up a little bit more like that. Just, I don't know, I just like to do that. And then I start going like this to diffuse that line, and then I go to the bottom, and then I do my top. The top, like you see, like here I have like hairs missing. I don't know if you can see, but you have like a little bit of hair missing. But same thing like this. It helps me when I do it like this, like at an angle, like almost like if I'm just touching it like that and drawing the line. It helps me so that the line is not as harsh. And then I go, and then over here I actually go with the tip and just line it. And then I just start filling it in. And over here, from here to over here, I just draw like lines like this way, over here. And on this part, I just go to the top, like little lines like that. And then I just use a spoolie to kind of even everything out. I'm gonna need to fill in a little bit more, so yay. And that's what it looks like. So this is like the before, after. Like, according to me, this is like natural. This is how I like to do my brows. And yeah, I don't do all that concealer, cutting the eyebrows and stuff like that. I just personally, if I can take a shortcut, I'll go ahead and do it. Let's do this. So I start off at the bottom. Okay, that had never happened to me before. See the little line, how I drag it out? And I fill it in here because I need to fill it in a little bit. I like the spoolie of this one. It's like, so look at the difference. And I'm gonna do the top now. So this is what the Anastacia Beverly Hills side looks like. And this is what the other one looks like. The Loreal. Tell me what you think, and I'll see you guys in my next video.